Hello everyone, welcome you all. In this video, we are going to discuss about the last 45 days roadmap towards the mains. So as you all know that only 45 days has been left for mains 2020, which is going to be happen on 8th of Jan 2021. So the main concerns of this lecture is to give you some of the tips and advices in the last 45 days. So here we have created this lecture in a different manner, like means का ज्ञान देना है तुमको ध्यान से सुनना, and you will be like okay आप भी सुनाइए. So first ज्ञान of this lecture is that in these days are the most important days, and your first. So here is how you win. Main thing, don't think about results. Okay, don't think about what is going to be happen. Is the what is going to be happen in near 45 days. Don't think much. Live in present. Live in present. Do all thing in present. Don't even think about the exam. Just continue your preparation and live in the present. Second thing is finish off your all test series as soon as you can. So here is just 45 days has been left. So many of you are giving test series from several institutes so your first priority should be complete this test series and revise those test series as many as time possibles. Okay, the third thing, your success depends on there is no chance in doing things wrong in these days. Okay, so be stick to your part, do your part rightly, and don't get distracted or disheartened by anything. Fourth thing, the fourth gyan is follow any one source site blog which you ever like or which you has been following from last 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Follow that regularly. Keep yourself update about everything that is going to be happening currently, and don't get overburdened current things also. Give your best shot on current things, but also focus on your basics also. So fifth gyan is distribute time nearly equal among your subjects. Self bound in the real exam conditions, like real exam conditions. Okay, like 9 to 12 and 2 to 5, 2 to 5. So give the equal time to all subjects. Okay, and stick to the real time exam conditions. Okay, and sixth thing is identify your bottleneck and get it resolved. Okay, all the weaknesses which you are find that this is I am weak here and I am weak here, keep those things resolved now. There should be no single portion untouched by yourself that will be give your penalty in the real exam. Okay, keep those things correct and resolve it them now. The seventh gyan is that you should be dread, that you should be have to calm, compose, and continue with your efforts. That you should have to continue with your efforts, and these efforts will decide that how much you will excel in the real exam conditions. Okay, so this is going to be and help you in a very big manner, in a very stable manner. Okay, and the eighth gyan is, if you consider that you are facing some problem, and you are facing some any personal problem or any other problem you in your studies or any other problem, so don't take that problem very serious in these conditions, because you are not be able to afford those problems in last 45 days. You have to keep yourself calm, composed, and in a very stable manner. So you should not afford to take so much stress for other things. Although you can take any a serious little bit slighter, more seriousness toward your studies, but don't take any extra burden or any extra problem serious at all. Okay, and the ninth gyan is, write every single day from now. So this is the time that you should write each and every day, like in the real exam conditions. As I said you, from 9 to 12, write one paper from in this time, and write other paper from sorry, 2 to 5. Write every single day. Okay, so this is the time to keep your writing, to keep yourself in flow, keep your writing practice going on, and keep it on till the exam. And the 10th gyan is, my meaning here is that no matter how much you have read, how much you have well read, how much books you have read, how much content you have read, but at the end, the matter is your presentation. Presentation must be top notch, because at the end, examiner is going to be give marks on the presentation as well as content also. But presentations, keep yourself different from others, and keep yourself slightly up to the others. So maybe you all are thinking that dimag ka dahi mat kar, but at the end, these things are going to be help you in very much and in a very good way. Keep yourself high, keep your motivation high, keep yourself updated, keep yourself restricted, and keep yourself in the revision mode. This is the time that you are going to make your future. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and press the bell icon. Press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates and all the updates of the videos which we posted on this channel. You can also join us on Instagram, Twitter, and you can also download the important PDFs of the UPSC exam. Thank you and have a nice day.